Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to view all invoices in QuickBooks Online. First, make sure you are logged in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the left side of the screen. You will see a menu with several options. Click on the Sales menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps everything related to customers, income, and invoices. After clicking Sales, you will see several tabs at the top. Select the Invoices tab. This will open a list of your invoices. By default, QuickBooks may only show recent invoices or invoices with a certain status. To see all invoices, click the Filter button near the top of the list. A filter panel will open. In the Type field, choose Invoices. In the Date field, select All Dates. You can also use the Status option to view paid, unpaid, or overdue invoices if needed. Once your filters are set, apply them. You will now see your entire invoice history in one list. You can scroll down to review older invoices or click on any invoice to open it. Another way to view your invoices is through the Reports section. Go back to the left menu and click on Reports. In the search bar at the top of the Reports page, type Invoice List. When you see the Invoice List report, click on it. This report shows all invoices in a clean list format. Thanks for watching.